Hello, you beautiful souls. How are you? Lauren with the Clarity Cure. Namaste. Nice to see you all. Okay, we got 15 minutes, baby. We're going to do this energy healing meditation and oracle card reading for you. It's very interesting. All week I've been getting this miracle energy, wish energy, celebration energy, even with my little 1 minute readings. And I believe you received a miracle in your last reading. So miracles are all around us. There's something amazing coming in for you. You receive cornucopia as your second oracle card. And this is like the Ten of Pentacles on steroids. I mean, this is all about wishes coming true, abundance, whatever you've been working on. There's some big payoff coming in for you. Big time, big time. It's going to feel like a miracle. Okay. So just a couple of quick announcements. I want to let you know that I am going live on TikTok. I don't know if you follow me over there or you are a TikToker or not, but I just got word that I was approved. So I'm really excited to give that a shot. I also go live Thursdays at 5 p.m. on YouTube where I do like these little Q&As. So I'm going to do the same thing over on TikTok. So my hope is to get these readings situated for you guys on IGTV as well as YouTube. I started a new channel just under my name, Lauren Larsen, if you want to check it out. That's where these readings are going to be. So whatever platform you prefer, I'm here for you, whether it's IGTV, Instagram, or YouTube. You can catch me on all these platforms. All right, with all that being said, let's jump in. So the 3 chakra wisdom cards you received were perception, workaholic, and faith. Very interesting. Faith is your crown chakra, this purple energy, which I love. Perception is all about the heart, your heart chakra. And workaholic is your throat chakra. So what I'm picking up here, definitely, I see how this kind of resonates with miracle. I feel whatever this miracle is could have to do with your work ethics, something you've been working on, okay, which is super positive. However, workaholic does speak about being so engrossed in your work that your life is passing you by. You know, you wake up one day, you've been working your ass off, right, building your career, but have you really enjoyed your life? So whatever this miracle is, for many of you, I think it's about love. We'll get there in a minute. And commitment. We'll get there in a minute. This is about not questioning what the heart wants. That's what perception is all about. Okay, I think you're going to be taken a bit by surprise that love is going to come your way. And your wishes are coming true in your career. So it's like Christmas, you know, 10 times over. Something good, and we all need some good news here. So what else with faith? So with faith, this is, now, coming out of this mindset of being really focused on the work, shifting your mindset to be more open to enjoying yourself, enjoying your life, having faith that wishes do come true, believing, and the same energy came through last week for you guys. So, wow, for it to repeat itself is huge. Now, this could all have to do with this planetary stellium with these planets in Capricorn, Saturn. What else we got? Jupiter. They all went retrograde again, and Pluto. And 2020 has been very strange. And this original conjunction started in January 2020. So it's like 2020 is like do-over, man. Like, we need to do something here. But it's a time to really step back and take a look at our beliefs and our values and what do we want and where are we going, right? Many of us have had no choice or option because of COVID. And in a way, it's kind of good because we got stopped in our tracks to really evaluate our lives and where we are. And this has a lot to do with our spiritual mindset as well. Are we happy, right? At the end of the day, You can't take your job with you, can't take the money with you. Are you going to be on your deathbed? I know this sounds a little morbid. And can you say that you really enjoyed your life, right? So just something to think about. Whatever this is, baby, it is spectacular for you. So moving on to the tarot cards, you received the King of Wands. So many of you could be fire signs or perhaps ending a relationship with a fire sign. I say that because the Ace of Cups, the King of Wands is looking away from this love. Now, this could also indicate that you're not paying attention to love, okay? But I want you to dial it in. I want you to have an open heart. If you get invited to some kind of wedding, an occasion, baby shower, bridal shower, please go. You could absolutely meet a twin flame or the love of your life, okay? So powerful, powerful stuff. Getting back to the chakras, let's kind of dive right in. 5 minutes in, we're good, to your energy meditation, to shift your perspective, to bring in more faith, and release any kind of attachments to this whole overworking kind of mindset, maybe not paying attention to your personal life, feeling more fulfilled at work, okay? Because many of us, it indicates that, let me spit this out, that many of us dive into work, to avoid dealing with, home or whatever we don't want to deal with. So, yeah, there's definitely something going on here. So we're going to focus on just the crown chakra today, your throat chakra, and your heart chakra, okay? But we're going to move through the pineal gland as well. So get comfortable, feet on the ground. You can sit in a chair, lotus style, Indian style on the floor, whatever's most comfortable for you, okay? And we're going to put our hands in prayer posture. Okay, we're going to stimulate our chi. We're going to connect to the divine energy of the universe, God, source, light coming down through heaven, through the top of our crown chakra, through our third eye, through our throat, our heart, our solar plexus, our sacral chakra, and our root chakra, anchoring us into the ground, Mother Earth, growing our roots and attaching firmly to the ground. Okay, guys, so I want you to rub your hands. Rub. Stimulate the chi. Now that we're connected to the energy, tap, tap, tap your fingers. Let's get that energy moving. You can shake, 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 shake. Okay, back into prayer posture. We're going to slowly separate our hands. Notice if you feel anything, a magnet feeling, a connection, heat. Okay. Connecting to your body, mind, your auric field. We're going to do some cleaning today. All right, we're going to bring this energy up over our head. Palms facing one another. Connecting to the energy line. We're going to imagine our crown chakras opening like a beautiful lotus flower. We're receiving God's energy while we stay grounded to Mother Earth. And we're going to move our hands down to our pineal, third eye, palms facing your pineal gland, opening up your intuition, deepening the connection that you have with yourself on the soul level, learning to trust your instincts. Now down to your throat chakra, palms still facing, okay? I'm going to open that throat chakra, sending beautiful blue energy as we speak our truth get grounded in our own authenticity, and face what we need to do in faith and trust and miracles coming into our lives. Down to your heart chakra. Do you feel any heat? If anything bubbles up emotionally for you, don't attach to it. That's very normal. Sometimes you might feel like you want to cry. That's okay. That's a form of release. Don't be embarrassed. If you feel anything come up, don't attach to it. Any kind of old emotion. Okay, release it. Release it now. Right? Just throw it away. Throw it away. Okay. Connecting deeply, healing our heart with amazing green energy. Focusing in on what we need to shift with our perspective. Being open to love, having it all, the blessings that you'd ever want in your life is coming true for you. Yes, it could be true for you if you believe. All right, back to prayer posture and bow. Wow, that was amazing. I feel a lot of heat in my hands. I feel very tingly. I feel energy moving down my back. How do you guys feel? Let me know in the comments below. If you felt anything unusual, I'm also available if you have any questions. Learning energy, right? Learning about energy and how it can assist you in becoming more self-reliant in your life, feeling peaceful, feeling grounded, feel like you have control over your life, right? And that you're being guided to your own destiny, your heaven on earth, okay? So just wrapping up real quickly because I'm at 12 minutes. This was beautiful. We're working on, right, releasing any kind of workaholic type of energy because we need to enjoy our lives. We need to shift our perspective, be open to love. Now, this could also be a reconfirmation of love as well. Maybe somebody that left you, okay? It's very possible that there's going to be a renewal in love because sometimes the Ace of Cups can represent some kind of reconciliation, God coming in, right, and blessing you with beautiful new emotions, new awakenings, a rebirthing of love and harmony in your life, and commitment. 4 Wands. This is happy surprise, surprise, surprise. So, oh my God, guys, I'm so excited for you. You can see how these two people are celebrating, the being joyful, taking the time out too. This also does represent, all right, taking the time out from work, right? Maybe some of you have been overworked because of what's been going on in the world, and you do need to just to take some time out and share your love with your family and the people that you love most in your life. Okay, so this is beautiful. Please, please, please try to take a little vacay. I know we're kind of limited with where we go and what's open, what's not open. But it will work out for you if you set the intention. You'll find the right place to get away to, right, and have some fun. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. God bless you. Have a great week, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, take care. Bye-bye.